Hello everyone! For today's video, we're going to tackle about the nature of electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are waves that are created as a result of vibrations between an electric field and a magnetic field. Electromagnetic waves are formed when an electric field comes in contact with a magnetic field. In other words, electromagnetic waves are composed of oscillating magnetic and electric fields. Electromagnetic waves are transverse waves. This means that both electric and magnetic field oscillate perpendicularly to each other and that they are measured by their amplitude and wavelength. They are also perpendicular to the direction of electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic waves travel with a constant velocity of 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second in vacuum. They are deflected neither by the electric nor by the magnetic field. However, they are capable of showing interference or diffraction. An electromagnetic wave can travel through anything, be it air, a solid material, or vacuum. It does not need a medium to propagate or travel from one place to another. But it does not mean that they cannot travel through a medium. They certainly can, because electromagnetic waves do not carry energy by causing matter to vibrate. It is the electric and magnetic field that vibrates. We measure both the amplitude or height of a wave and the distance between waves. One whole wave from crest to crest or trough to trough is called a cycle. The number of cycles that occur per second is the wave's frequency. We measure frequency in Hertz or Hz in order to honor Heinrich Hertz. Types of electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are ordered on the electromagnetic spectrum by frequency. Radio waves have the lowest frequency of the 7 bands of waves on the electromagnetic spectrum, which also means they have the least amount of energy. Next on the spectrum are microwaves, a type of radio wave that are less than 11.8 inches long. The microwave people use to heat food have waves measuring about 5 inches. Microwaves are also used for radar, television, and satellites. Infrared waves occur at an even higher frequency than microwaves. Infrared waves are used to power television, remote controls for thermal imaging, like when using a pair of night vision goggles. When you feel warmed by the sunlight, the energy you feel is infrared radiation from the sun. All electromagnetic waves are light, but the band of the electromagnetic spectrum that people and animals can see is called visible light. When a beam of light passes through a prism, a person can see each color of the rainbow separated into their individual wavelengths. Ultraviolet waves. Solar energy generates ultraviolet radiation. These waves have even shorter wavelengths than visible light. Exposure to this radiation leads to sunburns and can cause cancer in living organisms. X-rays. These are extremely high energy waves, however they are not much longer than an atom. X-rays are emitted by sources producing very high temperatures like the sun's corona, which is much hotter than the surface of the sun. These waves were also utilized in imaging technology to obtain images from the bone structures inside the body of an organisms. Gamma rays. These waves are the highest frequency electromagnetic waves and are emitted by only the most energetic cosmic objects such as pulsars, neutron stars, supernovas, and black holes. Electromagnetic wave properties. They are produced by accelerated or oscillating charge. They do not require any material or medium for propagation, and they travel in free space at the speed of 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second.